Hello everyone! So today I'm back with another YouTube video. I've been slacking on my YouTube videos, so I'm trying to get back into it. So today I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial, and this is the look. So I'm going to be using the new BH Cosmetics BFF palette, and this is by Alondra and Elsy. So I fell in love with the palette. Like, these colors are so pretty, pigmented. I love how there's glitter ones and just matte ones. So if you guys want to know how to get this look, then just keep on watching. So this is the palette, and when I was looking at the colors, I saw like these 3 blue shades and they were just calling to me, so I knew that I had to do a look that was involving one of them. So I'm going to be using the shade Latte, and I'm just going to be using this as a transitional shade, so I'm just going to be putting this all over my lid. Next, I'm going to be using the shade OOTD and using this to put in my crease, just to deepen my crease up. So I'm going to be using micellar water just to clean up my crease and just to take off all the product so that is very nice and smooth when I cut the crease. So I'm just going to be cutting my crease as so. So next shade I'm going to be using is You're Sick, and this is the one that has been calling to me. I've been wanting to use it, so I'm just going to be putting this all over my lid, and I was literally so shocked that it was so pigmented and so pretty in person. So next shade I'm going to be grabbing is Boogie, and I'm going to be putting it right in between that light blue shade and that brown shade and just blending it in. Next shade I'm going to be grabbing is Aloe and Else, and I'm going to be putting it right on the bottom, right by my waterline. Lastly, I'm going to be using the shade Bless, and I'm just going to be putting it in my inner corner just for that extra pop of glitter. I'm going to pop on these lashes and we should be done. That is the end of my video. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed. If you want me to do more makeup looks, let me know what you recommend. If you want me to do some more looks with this palette, let me know. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!